Hi, today I'm at Makita. I'm here with Matt. Matt's going to talk to us a little bit about their Makita cutters. Here you are, Matt.
Good morning. Today we're talking more expansion on our battery-operated line to replace your gas products that are out there. With this, what we have here, we're going to do a chainsaw demo with our 42cc saw, which I'll show you in a minute. But this one I'm holding here is our top handle saw. This runs on our 40-volt system. This one's going to run on the 4 amp hour. You could also put the 5 amp hour or even the 2.5 amp hour on there. All these batteries and tools are all interchangeable with everything you see back here on our wall, the whole display, the full lineup, the most extensive lineup you can run on one battery system. So it's time to replace the gas. This saw here is equivalent of a 32cc gas chainsaw. It's the top handle configuration. This has the 14-inch bar. We also offer it in 2 other models, which has a 12-inch bar or the 16-inch bar, right? This one's got the 14-inch bar. This will cut 25% faster than gas. It's not equal to gas, it's better than gas. The next saw I'm going to show you, this saw here is our 18-inch 40-volt saw, and pardon me for a second, I'll pull this out. That's our 5 amp hour battery we're running in this saw. This saw will run on the other amp hours as well. We can go all the way up to an 8 amp hour battery on this particular saw. So if you need more runtime, you can run the 8 amp hour. With the 5 amp hour battery, this saw will cut 40 cuts, 12-inch diameter in cedar. The recharge time is only 45 minutes on that battery, so typically you're going to have a battery up and running before you drain the other one down. Cycle them through, you can run all day, right? 18-inch bar on this guy, this is the equivalent of a 42cc gas chainsaw. So we're going to take this guy and just see how it cuts, right? We could talk about it all day, but let's put it in action.
Sounds good.
Let's go over here.
All right, we ready?
We're ready to go. Give us enough cut. There you go. So there you have it. That's our 42cc equivalent gas chainsaw running on our 40-volt system.
So more information online.
More information online, yeah, you can go to Makita-tools.com and you can get the full lineup of all of our tools, not just outdoor power equipment, but this battery system will run drills, saws, recip saws, circular saws, all kinds of other product that's out there for you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Have a great day.